Hello friends, today I am going to show you guys how to remove this guy from this photo in Photoshop. Before starting the tutorial, if you are new to our channel then please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all new updates. First of all, we'll make the selection of this guy. I'll simply select the lasso tool and make the loose selection. I have selected this person and then I'll go to the edit and select the content aware field. You can see here in the preview window the person completely removed. This works fine if the background of the image is texture. I'll adjust the selection some more. For example, if I want to add some more area for some more sampling area, I'll simply select on this plus sign and apply the brush on the rest of the image to sample the area. And if I want to subtract the sampling area, I'll simply click on this minus sign and apply the brush. Or I can also use the Alt key to add or subtract the selection. You can see in the cursor the minus and plus sign changing. And then here is the lasso tool. I can also select the lasso tool and adjust my selection. For example, if I want to add the selection, you can see here in the cursor the plus sign appears. I can also add the selection. Or if I want to subtract the selection, I'll simply click the Alt key. You can see here near in the cursor, the minus sign appears. I'll simply click and apply this lasso tool. I want to subtract some more selection. I'll simply hold down the Alt key and subtract this area. You can see here in the preview window, this method works fine for me. And from here in the sampling area, I can also change the opacity of this sampling area. Or I can also change the color to something like brown and press OK. And sampling area option is set to auto, it is work well. And then fill setting is set it to default. And output to new layer is fine. And then apply. OK, looking fine. And then OK. I'll press the Ctrl D key to deselect my selection. You can see how nicely the person removed from the image in no time. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial, and if you do, then please like this tutorial and also leave a comment. Stay connected with us. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.